You might be earning millions of coins by mining hamsters, but you should learn how to withdraw. Missing any important step in this withdrawal process will directly impact your earnings. People are ready to sell the hamster as soon as it is listed on the hamster exchange. The one who can sell the hamster immediately upon listing will be able to earn the most money. With a community of 200 million, if everyone sells at once, there will be significant selling pressure in the market, causing the price to drop. In today's video, I am going to tell you the entire process of A to Z withdrawal. How will you withdraw the hamster here? How will you create a ton wallet? How will you transfer the hamster to the exchange? And how will the money come directly to your bank account? That's why I have brought a complete tutorial related to withdrawal for you so that you can sell your tokens first. Here we will discuss everything from A to Z, how to claim the hamster, how to sell it, and how to withdraw the money into your bank account. This video is going to be very important for you, so watch it carefully till the end. And if you want to learn about crypto, subscribe to this channel. Let's begin with the process. Our first step here is to open the hamster's bot. As soon as you open the bot, you will find an airdrop section at the end. Click on it to get the option to connect the ton wallet. We need to connect our ton wallet first because if the wallet does not connect, the hamster tokens will not be received when they are released. To create a ton wallet, click on create new wallet. You will receive a seed phrase here, which is like your password, just like our bank account password or other passwords. This is your wallet password. Do not share this password with anyone. You will need this seed phrase whenever you want to log into your wallet next time. Once your wallet is connected, you will see a checkmark sign indicating that your wallet is connected. Now you can easily claim tokens, but here comes step 2, how to sell these tokens. There are 2 options regarding this. First is the gas fee. Just like banks charge a minimal transaction fee for transferring funds, we have to pay similar charges in crypto called gas fees. We have to pay this gas fee in the ton blockchain because the hamster is made on ton. You can buy some ton in advance in your ton wallet. You can buy ton from any other exchange and transfer it to your wallet. If you want to buy it directly with INR, you will get this option in your wallet. Click on buy and you have multiple options like UPI, Apple Pay, or debit cards to buy ton directly. It is very simple. The gas fee in ton will hardly be significant, but you must buy a minimum amount in your account. Because ton is growing very fast, we might see more price pumps soon. If you don't want to buy gas fees now, you can keep it on hold. It is not necessary to pay this gas fee to transfer funds. When Notcoin was listed, it gave its users an option of a claim where it cut 1.5% of the tokens, and the tokens went directly to their exchange. It is possible that Hamster will also give us this option, especially since the Hamster community is quite new and not very crypto friendly. However, there is no confirmation from Hamster yet. Our last step is to create your account on the exchange. You can create your account on Binance or any exchange you prefer. Just complete the simple KYC process on the exchange and you will be ready to go. As soon as Hamster is listed, it will likely be available on these exchanges. Click on send in your ton wallet. If you created your account on Binance, click on deposit there. Once the hamster coin is listed, copy its address and paste it into your ton wallet. Click to transfer your tokens from one wallet to another. Whenever you transfer funds from one wallet to another in crypto, double check your wallet because in 99% of cases, funds are not reversed. According to Hamster's roadmap, it is going to be listed in July. It might be listed before July 15th, so complete this process quickly. As soon as Hamster is listed, you can sell your tokens quickly. If you have any doubts related to withdrawal, let me know in the comments section. I share daily cipher codes and combo cards on my Telegram, which can help you earn 6 million hamster coins daily. The link is in the description. Make sure to join the Telegram and subscribe to this channel for more such videos.